Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this beautiful stocked clock widget on your home screen in any phones. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just get into the video.
So how to get this beautiful stocked clock widget on your home screen. I'm just going to show in this video. You can just use this on all Android mobile phone. Just download the clock application, Google clock application from the Play Store, or update your clock widget or clock application. Long press on your home screen first. So just click on the widget option, then scroll down. You can find option called clock. Click on those, then just need to swipe on the side. So here you have this option called stock. Just long press it and just place it on the home screen. Now you have a two option. You have a solid color like a material style and also a transparent. I just always go with the material style which actually look great and colorful. So after placing this, just long press on it and place wherever you just need it. Then you have the resize option. So you can just resize the clock widget how you just need to place it on the home screen. So it's actually make some beautiful material look on my home screen, which is actually better. You can just try the stock clock widget on your home screen. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.